Failure is the currency of success. Let's talk about failure. It's not the enemy. It's the price you pay for success. If you're not failing, you're not growing. The truth about failure. We've been taught to fear failure, but failure is the currency of success. Every successful person you admire, they failed again and again. Failure isn't a setback, it's a lesson. It's the feedback you need to adjust, learn, and push forward. Failure is the forge where resilience is made. It's the thing that guarantees growth. Without it, there's no progress. The more you fail, the stronger and smarter you become. Why failure is essential. Success doesn't come from playing it safe. It comes from taking risks, from trying, failing, and trying again. The greatest achievers failed more than anyone else. They didn't quit. They failed, learned, and got up stronger. Change your mindset on failure. Here's the truth. Failure is the price of progress. Each failure buys you experience, wisdom, and the strength to go further. If you're not failing, you're not pushing yourself hard enough. Failure is the foundation of success. Stop fearing failure. Embrace it. Understand that every failure is a step closer to your goals. The road to success is built on failures. Fail fast, fail forward, and keep moving. Thanks for tuning in to Sharp Mind Daily. If this hit home, like, subscribe, and share how you're embracing failure to fuel your success. This video is very powerful for you that you focusing on the core message that failure is necessary for success and growth.